In the world of automotive design, lighting is no longer just functional, it's a fundamental part of a vehicle's identity. It's the first thing you see and a lasting signature. But for engineers and designers, achieving a unique, brand-defining light signature often comes with constraints. Traditional lighting solutions limit creativity with their fixed shapes and sizes. We specialize in crafting COB LEDs in virtually any shape, size, and configuration you can imagine. Our custom COB LEDs are engineered to excel across the entire automotive lighting spectrum. Imagine sleek, continuous daytime running lights that define your car's character. Powerful and precise low beam and high beam. Headlights that ensure safety without compromising on style. Robust fog lights that cut through the toughest conditions. Dynamic tail lights that create an unmistakable glow. High visibility brake lights that communicate instantly. Even intricate interior and specialty lighting applications are within reach. Whatever the function, our technology provides the flawless, even light sheet that makes modern automotive design so striking. Choose our custom COB LEDs means more than just unique shapes. It means unparalleled design freedom, allowing you to create a truly distinctive brand identity. We work collaboratively with you from concept to production. Our team provides comprehensive support on thermal, optical, and electrical integration to ensure your custom LED solution is not only beautiful but also perfectly optimized for performance, durability, and compliance. So, stop adapting your designs to fit existing lights. It's time to design the light that fits your vision. Let's illuminate the road ahead together. Visit our website or contact our engineering team today to start a conversation about your next project.